Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to quickly go inside of your iPhone in order to check for the limited warranty coverage, hardware coverage, and chat and phone support. This might be something that you don't even realize you have, but maybe your iPhone is acting up or you feel something inside may be broken, and instead of paying for repairs out of pocket, you can check to see if you're covered first. To find this, open Settings. In here, scroll down and choose General. At the top, tap About, and in here you'll see Limited Warranty. Once inside, you'll then see if you're currently covered by a warranty, and if so, when that coverage expires. Under that, you'll also see if you're covered by hardware issues and if you have chat or phone support. And if you have any questions about what is covered, you can choose the link under Coverage Details to get more info on the included benefits. If you want to contact support for an issue that's covered, tap Get Apple Support App and you'll be taken to the App Store. From there, you can download the support app and open a support ticket. And that's how you check to see if your iPhone or iOS device is currently covered under the Apple device warranty. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.